Good morning, everyone. Let's continue learning Kachin Jinghpaw language. Today, we are going to keep learning how to question and answer on the topic of introducing yourself. I am Miss Bograk freelance language teacher. This is a free program to those who have interest to keep learning Kachin Jinghpaw language. Let's learn how to ask, what is your name? Nang nam ying pa rai, nang nam ying pa ta, nang nam ying pa rai ta. Meaning is, what is your name? You can use one of those questions to ask someone's name. Nang na meaning is your, Ming meaning is name. Pabo meaning is what. Ending sentence with parai, pata, paraita. This is a question sentence of what. I will repeat again. Nang naming parai, nang naming pata, nang naming paraita. Here, the question is, what is your name? The answer is, my name is Loto Kon Kon. For this answer, you have to say, Ngai nam yingo Loto Kon Kon re. Meaning of this sentence is, my name is Loto Kon Kon. If your name is Mary, you just fill it up in the blank. And you have to say, Ngai nam yingo Mary re. My name is Mary. In this slide, the question is, who are you? You have to ask, Nang gadai rai, Nang gadai ta, Nang gadai rai ta. One of those questions you can use for asking, who are you? Nang meaning is you, gadai meaning is who. Ending sentence with gadai rai, gadai ta. Gadai rai ta is for who question sentence. Let me repeat again. Nang gadai rai, nang gadai ta, nang gadai rai ta. Who are you? Someone asks you, Nang gadai rai, you have to answer, Ngai go Loto Kon Kon re. The meaning of this sentence is, I am Loto Kon Kon. If you are Mary, you just replace your name. Nang gadai rai, Ngai go Mary re. I am Mary. Let's keep learning how to ask how old are you. Here, let me explain first. You can use the words nang or nang na. The meaning of nang is you. The meaning of nang na is your. You can ask nang asak gade rai, or you can use nang na asak gade rai. Nang asak gade ta, or nang na asak gade ta. Nang asak gade rai ta, or nang na asak gade rai ta. Meaning is, how old are you? Asak meaning is age. Gade, for this context, how old. Asak gade rai, asak gade rai ta, asak gade ta is for the questions of how old. Someone asks you, how old are you? Let's imagine you are 20 years old and you answer, I am 20 years old. Ngai go asak kuning re. Meaning of this sentence is, I am 20 years old. I will repeat again. Ngai go asak kuning re. You can replace your age in the blank. Ngai go ning re. I am years old. Let's keep learning how to ask, are you student? Are you a student? Nang chong ma i, nang chong ma re i. Meaning is, are you student? For the question of are you a student, you have to ask nang chong ma la ngai i, nang chong ma la ngai re i. Chong ma meaning is a student. La ngai meaning is one a. E and re e ending sentence is for question sentence. So let me repeat the question. Nang jong ma i or nang jong ma re i. Are you student? Nang jong ma la ngai i or nang jong ma la ngai re i. Are you a student? In this slide, you will learn how to say, yes, I am student. Yes, I am a student. If someone asks you, nang jong ma i, you have to say, re o e, ngai jong ma re. Meaning of this sentence is, yes, I am student. For the questions of nang jong ma la ngai i, you have to answer, re o e, ngai jong ma la ngai re. Meaning is, I am a student. Here, let's learn how to say no, I am not student. No, I'm not a student. Someone asks you, nang jong ma i. For negative reply, you have to say, nre, ngai jong ma nre. No, I'm not student. The question, nang jong ma la ngai i, you have to say, nre, ngai jong ma la ngai nre. Nre ending is for negative sentence. Here, the question is, when will you finish your study? You have to ask, nang gelue jongut na rai, or nang gelue jongut na ta, or nang gelue jongut na rai ta. All those questions are same meaning. When will you finish your study? Nang meaning is you. Jong, it has a two meaning. One is a school building and another one is study. Galue is for question, when. Galue ngut na rai, galue ngut na ta, galue ngut na rai ta. Meaning is, when will you finish? If someone asks you the question, when will you finish your study? Let's imagine you will finish your study in 2020. For this answer, you have to say, Ngai King Lakong Kunying Ta Jongut Na Re. Meaning of this sentence is, I will finish my study in 2020. Let me repeat the sentence again. Ngai Shining King Lakong Kunying Ta Jongut Na Re. In this slide, the question is, when will you graduate? You have to ask, nang galoi janma gup na rai, or nang galoi janma gup na ta, or nang galoi janma gup na rai ta. Meaning is the same. When will you graduate? Nang meaning is you. Galoi meaning is when. Jan mau gup na rai, Jan mau gup na ta, Jan mau gup na rai ta. This is a question. Will graduate. So, let me repeat all those three sentences again. Nang galoi jan mau gup na rai, Nang galoi jan mau gup na ta, Nang galoi jan mau gup na rai ta. Let's imagine you will graduate in 2020. The question, when will you graduate? The answer, I will graduate in 2020. For this answer, you have to say, Ngài Shining King Lokong Kunying Tha Janmao Gupnare. Meaning of this sentence is, I will graduate in 2020. I will repeat again. Ngài Shining King Lokong Kunying Tha Janmao Gupnare. Let's learn how to ask the questions. Where are you from? Which country are you from? You have to ask Nang gra ko na rai. The meaning of this question sentence is, where are you from? You can also ask differently. Nang gra mung dan ko na ta. Nang gra mung dan ko na rai ta. Which country are you from? Nang meaning is you. Gra meaning is where or which. Gra mung dan ko na ta. Gra mung dan ko na rai ta. Which country? The question, where are you from? Or which country are you from? Let's imagine you are from Myanmar, the country Myanmar. You have to answer Ngài Mien Mung Dan Ko Na Re. I am from Myanmar. Let me repeat again. Ngài Mien Mung Dan Ko Na Re. Meaning of this sentence is, I'm from Myanmar. So you can put your country's name in the blank. Ngài Mung Dan Ko Na Re. I hope you enjoy this learning program. Let me finish this program by saying two sentences. Grai Jijugba Sai. Thank you very much. Pangde Bai Krumga, meaning is, see you again.